Welcome to U-Wrench. Today working on the Ford Explorer, and in this video we're going to be looking at this rear cup holder. As you can see, ours is faulty, it no longer goes back up and it does not stay up. How to replace it? Let's take a look. So to replace the cup holder, we've actually got to remove this entire rear panel here. Thankfully, if you look down the sides here, you'll see that there is a joint. So it's kind of this section forward that needs to be removed. So I've got my trim removal tool set here. You can pick these up really cheap on Amazon. It's always a good idea to use these plastic tools rather than metal because you don't want to damage your trims. As I say, these are very cheap to buy on Amazon. We will add some links for you into the video description in case you don't already have a set. So to get this trim started, the best way is to lift up the lid on your center console here. If you look carefully, this is the section that we need to be looking at here and here, and this is the little join that we just looked at on either side. So let's push the tool in here towards the rear and be levering it backwards. And the same on the other side. So now you can see we've released the top on both sides. So now we can put the lid down and back into the rear. So now you can see it's loose, just held in at the bottom here. Just lean it gently forwards. Little tab just in here, right at the bottom, and just push that upward from underneath. Same on the other side. And depending on what options you have fitted on your car, you'll find that you do have a collection of electrical connectors. These usually got little tabs on them. So push the tab in and wiggle them out. If you have the USB connectors like we have, these actually connect in on the other end, in on the center console end. Push the tab down, slide them up. So now this unit is completely free of the car, so we can take this over to the workbench and we need to get this unit removed. So here is our brand new cup holder. We picked this up on Amazon and these are only around $25 to $30 for a brand new replacement. And we will be adding Amazon links to these into the video description for you. So if this video turns out to be helpful for you, please help support what we do here and you can check out those links. So grab a Torx screwdriver. These are Torx size 20 and we've got 4 screws, 1, 2, same on the other side, 4 screws, 1 in each corner, holding this in. Now you've got this little tab in the middle of this loop here. You need to push that forward so you can lift up the whole thing. And just carefully lift the old one out. So now I've got this electrical connector that needs to be removed just here. Just pop out these little white tabs on either side. Push them forward and you should be able to slide the whole unit off. So now grab the replacement. Snap that into place. Pull the tabs forward. Make sure that they're locked into place. If you look in between the 2 screw holes, you've also got this little square hole here, and that fits around this little spike that we have here. Make sure we click in at the bottom there and check that everything looks to be correctly aligned, which it does. So now we can go ahead and just refit those 4 screws. So we've got our 4 screws snugged up and we've also ensured that that little tab is clicked in the bottom. So now it's time to start reconnecting some of these electrical connectors. This one into here, grey one into our new plug here, not the new plug, the new mount here on the cup holder, and finally this one here at the top. If you remember, we had to lift it up at the bottom when we removed it. That's because we have these little hooks at the bottom, so we need to make sure that we get these in first. sure they're both definitely locked in on the bottom and they're both fully pushed down. And then the top will just click into place. Just check either side on the gap, make sure it's nice and even all the way down. So we now have a working rear cup holder. So there we have it, that is how to replace the rear cup holder. As you can see, it is a fairly straightforward job. As it's so cheap to pick these units up on Amazon, like I said, $25 to $30, it's not even worth trying to repair the original. And do remember, if you want one of these, please help to support us. We're going to add those Amazon links for these into the video description for you. So if you do want to pick one of these up, please be sure to check out those links. So thanks for joining us. Please be sure to hit like and subscribe, all that other good stuff, and we'll see you again.